forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem on quadratic equation. Problem number 1. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So first steps, let x and y be two numbers such that x is greater than y, means x is larger number. Let x and y be two numbers such that x is greater than y. Now write according to problem. X square minus y square equal to 180. The difference of square of the two numbers is 180. So x square minus y square equal to 180. Equation number 1. And the square of the smaller number. Smaller number means y is 8 times the larger number at x. Equation number 2. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, x square minus y square means 8x is equal to 180. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation either by quadratic formula or by splitting middle term. This time we use quadratic formula. On comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. With ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8 and c equal to minus 180. Now apply formula. Formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute value of a, b and c. X equal to minus b. So minus 8 plus minus b whole square minus 4ac. Value of c is minus 180 upon 2a, 2 into 1. Now simplify. 8 plus minus 8 square 64 plus 18 for the 720. 18 for the 72 10 upon 2. So 8 plus minus 64 720 784. And square root of 784 is 28. Taking plus sign and minus sign. X equal to 8 plus 28 upon 2. So 36 upon 2, 18. And taking minus sign, x equal to 8 minus 28 upon 2 equal to minus 10. 8 minus 28 minus 20 upon 2 minus 10. Now putting x equal to 18 in equation, y square equal to 8x. So 8 into 18, 144. So y equal to plus minus 12. So one of the number is 18 and other number is 12. One of the number is 18, other number is minus 12. Now second case, putting value of x in this equation, y square equal to 8x equal to 8 into minus 10 equal to minus 80. Or we all know square of any real number is always positive. Y square cannot be negative, so this is rejected. So therefore required numbers are 18, 12 and 18, minus 12. Next problem. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. There are two places, A and B, and distance between A and B is 360 km. Okay. There are two cases. Case first, when distance is equal to 360, and first step, let speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Distance equal to 360 and speed equal to x kilometer per hour. In this case, time is equal to, formula is speed equal to distance upon time and time equal to distance upon speed. So distance upon speed. So 360 upon x. Give question number 1. Case second. Distance is same, 360, and speed is equal to 5 kilometers more, means x plus 5 kilometer per hour. In that case, time is equal to, just give t1, t2, distance upon speed is equal to 360 upon x plus 5. According to problem, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Means this time is 1 hour less than this time. Means this minus this equal to 1. So 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. Simplify. Taking common 360, so in bracket we get 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 equal to 1. Next step, taking LCM in left hand side. LCM is x into x plus 5. Divide LCM by x, so we get x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5 minus. Divide LCM by x plus 5, so we get x. So x into 1, x is equal to 1. X or x cancel. 36 5 ja 180. So 1800 upon x into x, x square plus 5x equal to 1. Cross multiply. X square plus 5x in equal to 1800. So x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. On comparing with square plus px plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 1800. Now use quadratic formula. So x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute value of a, b and c. Minus b, so minus 5 plus minus b square means 5 square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 1800 upon 2a, 2 into 1. More simplify, minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 18 4 ja 72, 7200 upon 2. Next step, x equal to minus 5 plus minus 72500, 7225 upon 2. अब now write square root of this. This is square root of 85. Because 5 square 25, 8 9 is 72. Next steps, taking plus sign. So x equal to minus 5 plus 85 upon 2 is equal to 85 minus 5, 40 upon 2, 40 kilometer per hour. Now taking minus sign. So x equal to minus 5 minus 85 upon 2 equal to minus 90 upon 2 minus 45. We know speed cannot be negative, so this is rejected. So correct answer is 40 km per hour. Next problem. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tape of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tape can separately fill the tank. So first let larger tape fill the tank in X hours. And a smaller tank fill the tank in X plus 10 hours. Okay, now just we discuss. If we fill any tank in 2 hours, then how much portion of tank we fill in 1 hour? Half portion. In 2 hours full tank, then 1 hour half tank. If we fill any tank in 3 hours, then in 1 hour we fill 1/3. Similarly, portion of tank can be filled by larger tape in 1 hour is equal to 1/x. We can fill 1/x portion in 1 hour. And smaller tape fill the tank in x plus 10 hours. Then portion of tank can be filled by smaller tape in 1 upon x plus 10 hours. Now, two water tanks together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. Since both taps, given date, both taps together fill the tank in 9 3/8 hours. That is 8 9 ja 72 plus 3 75 upon 8 hours. Therefore, portion of the tank can be filled by both taps together in. Therefore, portion of the tank can be filled by both taps together is equal to 1 upon 75 by 8. 1 upon 75 by 8 means 8 upon 75. Portion of the tank can be filled by larger tank in 1 hour 1 by x, and smaller tank take 1 upon x plus 10. Therefore, portion of tank can be filled in 1 hour by both the tap is sum of these two. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Simplify this equation. Next step, taking LCM. LCM is x into x plus 10 cross multiply x plus 10 plus x is equal to 8 upon 75. X plus x 2x plus 10 upon x square plus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Taking common 2 and cancel. X plus 5 x square plus 10x equal to 8 upon 75. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 4 into this, so 4x square plus 40x equal to 75x plus 75 5 ja 375. 4x square 40 minus 75 minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Now tell me two numbers whose sum is minus 35 and product is this into this. 4 into, so minus 4 into 375. So now write factors of this. Factor of 4, 2 into 2. Factor of 375. First write factor of 375. 375. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja, then again 15 5 to 75, then 5 3. So 5 5 3. 5 5 and 3. So product of these number is this into this. Now prepare a pair. 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15 and 15 4 ja 60. So 60 and 25. 60 minus 25, 25. So 4x square minus 60x plus 25x. Minus 60 plus 25 minus 35, and this into this is equal to this into this. Minus 375 equal to 0. Now simplify. What is common in first two terms? 4x common. So in bracket we get x minus 15 plus 25 common. So in bracket we get x minus 15. 25 10 ja 250 and 25 5 ja 170. 125 is equal to 0. Next step, x minus 15 common, so we get 4x plus 25 equal to 0. So x minus 15 product of two number equal to 0, so this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. 4x plus 25 equal to 0. So x equal to 15 or x equal to minus 25 by 4. X cannot be negative. Therefore, time taken by larger tape is equal to 15 hours and time taken by smaller tape is equal to 15 plus 10, 25 hours. Next problem. The sum of the areas of two square is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Let sides of two squares be x and y respectively, such that x is greater than y. Now write according to problem. According to problem. There are two squares. One is larger, one is smaller. Side of larger square x and smaller square y, because x is greater than y. Then perimeter of this 4x and perimeter of second square 4y, and area of first square is x square and second y square. So according to problem, the sum of the area of two square is 468, means x square plus y square equal to 468. Give equation number 1. And difference of their perimeters is 24. So 4x minus 4y equal to 24. Dividing throughout by 4. So 4x upon 4x, 4y upon 4y is equal to 24 upon 4, 6. From this equation, find the value of any of the variable. So find value of x. X equal to y plus 6. अब substitute value of x in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, x square means y plus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 468. More simplify. Y square plus 36 plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. Y square plus y square, 2y square plus 12y, and 36 minus this, so minus 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 3 3 and 4, 432 equal to 0. अब dividing throughout by 2, so 2y square upon 2 y square plus 6y minus 2 to the 4, 2 1 j 2, 2 6 j 12 equal to 0. अब now find value of y by splitting middle term. Y square, next step implies y square. Tell me two numbers whose sum is 6 and product is 216. So just find factor of 216. 216, 2108, 254, now 227, now 3 9, then 3 and again 3. So product of these number is 216. अब now prepare a pair. 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 6 2 जा 12 and 9 2 जा 18. 18 or 12. So 18y minus 12y minus 216 equal to 0. Sum of these two number is 6y and product 18 into 12 216. Y common, so we get y plus 18 minus 12 common, so we get y plus 18 is equal to 0. Again y plus 18 common, so we get y minus 12 is equal to 0. A product of two number equal to 0, so either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So y plus 18 equal to 0 or y minus 12 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 18 or y equal to 12. Since length cannot be negative, so y equal to 12. Therefore corresponding value of x is y plus 6, means 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So therefore sides of two squares 18 and 12. In next lecture we will discuss nature of roots of quadratic equation. Thank you. Have a nice day.